is Troy Ruffner I just want to say good morning. It is 8:23 p.m. right now, so I'm about to get COVID tested, and also my arriving is my service drink at 8:40. So today's schedule is to get COVID tested, do my class online, have class, have breakfast, do my chores. So that means like make my bed, clean up my room. So most of like all of this is gonna be clean today. I'm gonna be taking my class online to like X, U.S. history, my Photoshop, probably dinner, and then we're gonna watch Sing 2 tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog video. So I want to show you guys part 1 when we get out into my dad's truck. So hey guys, so right after my appointment, we are here right now at Westcom. And I'm waiting for my drink to be ordered from Uber Eats right now, so my guy's coming to pick it up. So that will be kind of cool experience if you guys use Uber Eats or DoorDash. It'll be kind of cool. It's pretty cool. Come go check it out. I want to say this was part 2 of it. So part 3, I wish you guys good in my room. And you guys probably gonna see that on time lapse. I was you guys when I get back to my room. Hey guys, it's Troy Ruffner. I just want to say, so today was a really fun day. Today was the best recap ever. So if you guys follow me on my Instagram, I'll be showing you guys my class, what I'll be doing for the rest of the day. And that's mostly it. I hope you guys come check me out tomorrow on Wednesday. Obviously guys, Thursday, back at Masters University. Obviously guys, see you guys then.